I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Friday, and these are your announcements. Sophomores and juniors, if you would like to attend a college fair during the day on Friday, January 26th from 9 to 11 in Fort Worth, please come to the first floor office and sign up. First 100 students will be able to go. Students who would like a new calendar or planner for the spring, they should see Miss Russell and 235 or Miss Johnson in the first floor office. Parents and students, on Thursday there will be a parent-student informational presentation about scheduling for next year. From 5:30 to 6:30, the counselors will meet with the sophomores and juniors, and from 6:30 to 8, incoming freshmen and their parents will receive the information. The same presentation will be held on Monday, January 29th in the auditorium at the same time. And then the following Tuesday, January 30th, the counselors will host a coffee with counselors from 8 to 10 in the first floor office for parents who have questions regarding scheduling. The art program is collecting old cell phones, iPads, and inkjet printer cartridges for a recycling fundraiser. Turn those into Ms. Burdette. Anyone wanting to try out for baseball, please see Coach Maddox in 305 to sign up. And purchase your yearbook for $65 by next Friday before the prices go up again. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon dots.
Basketball at Gainesville, ladies play at 6:15 and guys play at 8. You can go if you want.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Everybody in the club.
And remember, DHS, complaining is like throwing up. You may feel better, but you make everybody else around you sick. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Have a great day.
Now for the question of the week.
Question of the week was, what was your favorite thing to do over the weekend? You know, sleep, clip my fingernails, whoa, play like a real man, create vehicles, school, showing pigs, all right. Eat something. I don't know what you're trying to say here, so have more sleep. It's your question of the week, I guess.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.